press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, students, let us continue with the exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. In the previous class, I had completed the first one, second one and third one. Now we shall move on to the fourth one. The length is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, second one major segment. So the first one you have to find out minor segment, and second one you have to find out the major sector. Major sector. And very important, you have to note here, you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. See, because they have mentioned there to use 3.14, so you have to use the value pi is equal to 3.14. So here somewhat these two sums if you do, I think whatever the concept I have taught in the previous class will be covered in this problem. So because you are finding minor segment as well as major sector. Okay. Now here you should note that what is given here in this case. So first write down given. What is given here? Given radius. Radius is given, that is equal to 10 centimeter, and sector angle is given. Sector angle is how much? 90 degree. Because see, the question they have given, find the chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter. See, this is a chord of circle, radius is how much? 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. So you have to draw the diagram 10 centimeter, and subtends, a chord will subtends a right angle at the center, means this is the chord, AB is the chord here, AB is the chord. So it subtends the angle at the center, that is right angle triangle, means 90 degree, it subtends right angle at the center, means what is the meaning? So that is 90 degree, that is angle AOB is 90 degree. And find the area of the corresponding minor segment, means corresponding minor segment means here, see related to this is the minor segment, you have to find out the first one. So let us finish the first one and then we will move on to the next. Okay. So I hope you understood the question clearly. Okay. Now radius is given, sector angle is 90 degree, and you have to use 3.14 only. Now to find out the first one, minor segment. So I had told you in the previous class how to find out the area. So area of minor segment, area of minor segment. So let us name here as one more letter will take C. Minor segment you can name it also ACB. Minor segment ACB segment. Okay, don't forget. Area of, yes, can you remember how to find out the area of the minor segment? See, I told you area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, so area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay. Now area of sector. How to find out the area of the sector? You all know, you have the formula. So instead of doing it at the time, first I will find out area of the sector, then I will find out area of the triangle, then I am going to subtract. Okay. Is it clear? First I will find out area of the sector OACB, separately I will find out the area of triangle OAB, then I am going to subtract. Okay. Now, so let us find out the area of sector OACB. Okay. So, area of the sector OACB will be equal to, what is the formula? You all know, just now I told, previous class I told you, theta by 360 into pi r square. So, this is equal to, so theta you all know it is 90 degree by 360 into pi, here you should take 3.14 into r. What is r here? 10 into 10. So, r is 10 into 10. Now, I am going to cancel this. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. Now, 3.14 into 100. 3.14 into 100. How much? 314. Correct? 0, 0. So, point. So, 314 will be remaining. 314 divided by 4. 314 divided by 4. So, what you will get? The decimal point. Find out the decimal point. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31. 4 7s are 4 8s are 32. Okay. 32. Then 2 remainder 20. 4 5s are 20. So, this is what? Area of the sector. So, centimeter square. I hope you understood this. So, we have the answer for area of the sector as OACB as 78.5 centimeter square. Next, I am going to find out this area of the triangle. So, shall I find out here only? Area of triangle OAB. So, as you all know, since it is a right angled triangle, so we can apply the formula of base into height. So, half into base into height. Here base and height is same here. Half into 10 into 10. So, 2 ones are 2 5s are. What you will get the answer? 50 centimeter square. So, 50 centimeter square. Now, I got area of the sector as 78.5 and area of the triangle as 50 centimeter. What you need to find out? You need to find out the area of the minor segment. So, I will write here, therefore, area of minor segment is equal to, see, since I have written the formula already, I will just subtract. I will subtract 78.5 minus 50. I hope you understood. 78.5 minus 50. Okay. Now, 78.5 minus 50. So, what you will get? 28.50 centimeter square. So, this is the answer, 28.50 centimeter square. So, this is what? This is the area of the minor segment, area of the minor segment, that is 28.50. This is one part of the problem we completed. See, we completed only this minor segment. What we did? Area of minor segment ACB is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Then, so separately I found out area of the sector separately, that we got 78.5 centimeter square, and area of the triangle I got 50 centimeter. Then I subtracted area of the sector minus area of the triangle. See, area of the sector means whole here, area of the sector minus area of the triangle will give you area of the minor segment. So that is 28.50 centimeter square. Okay. So here we completed one part of the problem now. So what is the next part? So this is major sector. We have to find out area of the major sector. So here one thing you should note. So to find out the area of the sector, I told you the two methods. Here what I am going to use is area of the circle or area of the circle minus area of the minor sector. Area of the sector, area of the circle minus area of this sector, minor sector will give you the area of major sector, correct? I hope you understood this. Okay. So because I have already found out the area of the sector here. What is the answer for the area of the sector? We have 78.5 centimeter square already. So we need not calculate once again. So since it is the same problem, we need not calculate. If it was given as a separate problem, then you have to work out this. Otherwise, the answer will be here. We are going to utilize this 78.5 centimeter square. So I will write here. So area of minor sector. How much? 78.5 centimeter square. So why? Because I am going to rub this and I am going to start the next problem. See now see, next second one, major sector. I hope you understood. So how to find out the area of major sector? Area of major sector. See here, major sector, I will write here one D here. Major sector means, see here, I will just write here. See here, this is O, A, B, C and this is D. Okay, don't get confused. You can draw once again. Okay, and then do. See now I know this area. So can't I find out the area of this major sector? I think you can understood better if I draw the separate diagram here. See, area of major sector. Major sector means here A, D, B. Okay, or you can write OADB also. See here, OADB is the major sector. Now, area of major sector is equal to area of circle. See, area of circle minus area of minor sector, or you can write just the name minor sector OACB. Okay, OACB. I hope you understood. I can go a little bit slow because since all these are new concept, I hope you understood. Next, so area of major sector, area of the circle, you all know the formula how to find out. So I will find out separately. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So this is 3.14 into, because they have asked you to use 3.14 r. What is r? Radius. So 10 into 10. So here 314. So 314, we have this centimeter square. Okay. Next, area of minor sector. Since we have got already, I am not calculating once again. Area of minor sector. See, we have got already. See, just now I wrote here. That is 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, 78.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of major sector is equal to 314 minus 78.5. Okay, we shall find out the 134.0 and 78.5. So 5, 10 minus 5, 5 here, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, okay, 5, then here 0, 3, 2, 235.5, correct? So here what is the answer? 235.5 centimeter square. So this is the answer for area of the major sector. Okay. I think we have covered almost all the concept which we have studied till now in this problem. So this problem is very, very important. Okay, this one and the next one also. So but we have covered all the concept. See, we found out area of the minor segment, area of the major sector, and also area of the minor sector also we got it, because we need to find out for this, correct? So almost all the concept is covered in this problem. Next one. Okay, next one more problem we'll do. Fifth one. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc. See here there are three sums. One is length of the arc. Second one, area of the sector. Area of sector. Third one, also we should find out the area of the segment. Again, here also this problem, all concept we are going to cover now. Once again, it will be like a recall for you. Just be attentive and listen. Now, the first one is length of the arc. See, in the previous sum I had given you the formula to find out the length of the arc. So I hope you can recall what is length of the arc, isn't it? First let us write what is given here. Given radius. What is the radius? Radius is given, that is 21 centimeter, and sector angle is 60 degree. Okay, here this is 60 degree and radius is given, that is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Okay, now, so radius is given, sector angle is given. So you have to find out the length of the arc. So what is the formula to find out the length of the arc? Length of the arc means, I hope you all know this one, PQ. length of the arc PQ. So what is the formula? Try to recall. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. So here theta is 60 degree by 360 into 2 into here they have not mentioned that you have to use 3.14. Please note, here they have not mentioned use 3.14, so you can use 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r, that is 21. So 6 ones are 6 6 are, 2 ones are 2 3s are. Okay, 7 ones are 7 3s are. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So you will get, what is the answer you will get? Okay, correct? So here we will get 22 centimeter. See, why I am using centimeter, I hope you all understood. It is the length of the arc. It is the length of the arc. So it is in centimeter, not the area. So 22 centimeter. I hope it is clear. Just writing the formula and substituting the values, you will get the answer. Okay. So this is first problem, length of the arc. First part of the problem is completed. So I am going to rub this. So to do the next one, that is area of the sector. So let us try to do the area of the sector. Area of the sector formed by the arc. See, area of the sector formed by the arc means, sorry, here this area of the sector. So you can name here one B here. Okay, area of the sector OPBQ. Area of the sector OPBQ is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. So theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Please observe this figure. See, this is the previous problem. This is now what I am doing now. 21 into 21. Now 6 ones are 6 6 are. 7 ones are 7 3s are. 3 ones are 3 2s are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So finally 11 into 21. 11 into 21. So what you will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 3 2. So 231 centimeter square. See, I hope you understood why I wrote centimeter square, because it is area of the sector. Try to recall the formula and directly I am put the value. Okay. So first one we finished length of the arc, we wrote the formula and we applied all the values. Next, area of the sector, we gave the values and we got the answer 231. Now what is the third question? Third question is area of the segment corresponding that arc, area of the segment. So here, which is the segment here? Area of the segment here is this much. So here you have to find out the area of this segment now. So how will you do it? Area of the segment. So in the previous sum I had told you, and observe carefully here, it is 60 degree. So since this is, the two sides are equal, so definitely the angle corresponding, the opposite to the sides will be equal. So with this concept I think we can apply to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so that will mention here, and Of course, this we need again. See, to find out the area of the segment, we need area of the sector. So, I will just write here, I will write here area of sector OPBQ is how much? 231. So, I am going to write this here because we have already found out. So, again no need of finding once again. So, I am going to rub this, so it will be clear for you. See, now area of the sector we know. Area of the sector we know, that is 231. If we know the area of the triangle, if you subtract each other, then definitely you will get the area of the segment. I hope it is clear. Area of the sector minus area of this triangle. See, if you want, I will just draw little bigger and show it to you. See here. See, area of the sector, the whole sector, this is sector. Area of the sector minus area of this triangle. What does it give? Area of this segment here in this case. See, correct? That's it. So, finally, we will write area of segment PBQ. Area of segment PBQ is equal to area of sector. What is that sector? OPBQ minus area of triangle. What is the triangle? OPQ. Okay. Now, area of triangle OPQ, to find out the area of the triangle here, since, so you can write, since OP is equal to OQ, so since these two sides are equal, so I can just mention here angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP, that is equal to how much? So, since these two are equal, can we give it as 60 degree? Therefore, equilateral triangle. Okay. So, area of root 3 by 4 into a square. So, this is the formula where a is nothing but a is equal to 21 centimeter. Root 3 by 4 into a square, that is 21 into 21. So, you all know the square of 21. What is the square of 21? 21 square is 441. So, this will be equal to 441 root 3 by 4. 441, 21 into 21 is 441 into root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Okay. Now, I will just do it here. Now, area of the segment will be equal to area of the sector. Already I told you it is 231. So, 231 minus, so area of this will be 441 root 3 by 4. Okay. Now, shall I rub this? Now, you need not simplify this. So, you can write as it is 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Since it is a area, So you can write like this, 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. Okay. So this is how like you have to work out. Actually, instead of putting root 3 by 4, we have the other method also, which I am going to show in the next class by using 120 degree if it is given in a different way. See, 90 degree you can apply easily. When this 60 also I am going to show in the next class in a different way. This here I have used this method. In the next class I can show you a different method. Okay. So thank you.